Once they have all the pool walls assembled, they've gone through and checked to make sure that it is level. And when all the pool walls are level, and they go ahead and seam out, or put tape on every seam rather, then they start to spread all the sand in here. The reason why they want to spread that sand is to ensure that the edge right here gets a healthy cove. They call it a sand cove, and that comes up about 4 to 6 inches on the wall. You can see here where it's galvanized. You see that process right there is a pool wall that's been galvanized. That's to ensure that the pool wall does not rot or rust. So once they're all done spreading the sand all the way around, and then we'll make sure they get it nice and flat. You can see right here he's raking it out. Tamp it down, and then once that's all done, they'll finally put the liner in.